Okay, this is the solution to problem 45 from the Math Level 1 practice exam. You've got here this function, and I'm going to use the graphing calculator on this one. So I'm going to type in the function itself, which is x cubed minus 8x squared plus 19x plus 8. And you can go ahead and zoom 6 for just kind of a standard window. And we don't really see much from this particular image. The function itself, and take a second here to write it on the paper, f of x equals x cubed minus 8x squared plus 19x plus 8 is defined from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7, and 1990 corresponds to x equals 0, the year 1990, and or I should say x when x is 0. So one thing you can do is you can set your window from 0 to, or if you want, -1 to 8, just so we have 0 and 1 in there, and graph that. Now our outputs we don't see. Let's just get an idea of this. So in year 0, second calc value, 0 is 8, and that is visible on the screen. Calc value 7, that's 92. Now that of course is not visible on the screen, so I'm going to make my y max 92. You may have other ways of doing this, zooming out and then zooming in. This is kind of how I approach these problems if I can't see the graph right away. And now we do pretty much see, I would guess, looks like the whole function itself. It is a polynomial, and it's got kind of a wave to it. Alright, so now we're looking to see when is there the greatest, or between which 2 years was there a decrease. So from 1991 to 1992, why don't we do this? Value, let's find a maximum. So we'll use the graphing calculator to get local mins and local maxes, because it appears to go up and then down. And then I guess, so it looks like there's a max at about 1.7. Okay. You know what? Let's go straight to the table actually. Sorry about that. We can do this much faster from the table. So from, yeah, this makes much more sense. Table set, let's go count by ones. Not bad to have a graph, I guess, but from year 0 to year 1, which is 1990 to 91, it goes from 8 to 20. Then from 91 to 92, it goes from 20 to 22, so it still is a net increase. Year 1992 to 93, it decreases. It goes from 22 to 20. 93 to 94, it remains at 20. And 94 to 95, it goes from 20 to 28. So the only year where there's a net decrease is from 1992 to 1993. That's much better. If you go back to the graph, we can kind of see it here a little bit from 92 to 93, although it's not that clear, but there is a decrease overall. So that is 92 to 93, choice C.